In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Play Store payment method problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, first is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. As you can see, open the apps and now you have to click on the Google Play Store app. If you didn't find it, you can search for it in the search bar here. After you click on it, now click on this option, and after you click on it, now you have to disable it and wait a few seconds and enable it again. After that, click on the data usage and make sure that all those options right here are enabled like this. And last thing you want to do is click on the storage. After you click on the storage, now as you can see, this is the internal storage of the app. Click on clear data, clear cache, go back, and now you have to restart your phone and reopen Play Store, and the problem must be fixed. If it's not fixed yet, then you have to go to the settings again and open the wireless and networks right here, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.